Hello, everybody, and welcome to the walk.
Hi.
I'm Daniel, and this is Ruts.
Yes.
We are Go for Green Living and Green Hippies, and look, we're another channel now. Well, there's a reason for this. This is the walk, the movie that Ruth and I are doing. We are making a movie, and it's about a what if the Exodus happened today. You know,
Yes.
a faith awareness.
And you're invited to join.
Yes, you're invited.
Because we are doing it today. What if the Exodus happened today? What if you had to leave everything? What if something happened? You don't know what, but let's say something happened and you had to drop everything and go. What would that look like today?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yes, exactly. What would it look like? Leave your cell phone behind? Leave this behind? What? Oh my God, it's ripped off part of my head. Yes.
so we will tell you more about the project later, but it is a
Yes.
faith awareness project
Mm-hmm.
about our personal walks to choose to do good and how it would look like when we are joining together to do the walk together. And where are
Yes.
we going?
Israel.
We're going home to the promised land.
Yes, to the promised land. The land of milk and honey.
But that sounds very flaky. In real life, we'll just walk and we'll walk with God and He'll show us where to walk and how that looks like.
Yes. So
And it's not like anything special. You just need to show up and be who you are and walk.
yes, and bring a children's backpack, you know, like a school backpack. We want this to look as authentic as possible. So bring a kid's backpack, a blanket, sleeping bag.
Or a kid's backpack.
Well, or adult backpack. Just
Only bring what you can carry on your own back. I think.
if you're going 8,000 miles, how much would you want to carry?
Yes.
Think about it. We were walking a mile and I had a bag and I was already thinking, what can I dump out of this bag?
Yes. So anyway, we will ask you to check out the greenhippies.org. More information will come there on the website. We need you to sign in now. We're starting filming the 24th of May.
May.
That is next week. So this is a hurry up and join in. Contact us on exoduswalk@gmail.com. And you can also call him. Information is on the channel. And if you have any questions, we'll get back to you. But for right now, we need you.
Yes, we need you. Yes, yes. This is the God thing. So come on. All right, guys. Later.